Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make dirt pudding. Doesn't that look fantastic? What a wonderful thing for a kid's birthday party. We've got our vanilla chocolate pudding in a cup with our crushed chocolate wafers and of course the gummy worms coming up out of the dirt. This is a fun thing to do, and you can certainly do it with the kids. Now, I made our vanilla and chocolate pudding from scratch, so make sure you check out those recipes on our YouTube channel. And we made the chocolate wafers that we crumbled up, so please check out that one too. Or make life really simple, use Jell-O Instant Pudding, and then it's very simple and quick. You just make your pudding, whisk the milk in, let it set up for 5 minutes, and voila, you'll have pudding that's thick enough to put into your plastic cup.
Please subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. Thank you.
Now, these are our gummy worms. I got them at Economy Candy down here on the Lower East Side of New York City, and I love these gummy worms because they're really nice and long. So make sure you get gummy worms that are long enough to sort of curl around the top of your cup. Personally, I like the way that the vanilla and chocolate pudding contrasts in here, but if you just want all chocolate pudding, you can do that, or if you want all vanilla pudding, you can do that, any way you prefer. So how we're gonna do this, we're gonna start off, we're just gonna put 2 big spoonfuls of our chocolate pudding into the cup. Make sure you don't get it on the sides, and then you can sort of tap it down. Now, I did get it on the side. If you want to be a perfectionist about this, you could just take a wet paper towel and wipe it down. Then we're gonna put in 2 large dollops of our vanilla pudding. And you can gently spread that around. And then top it off with the chocolate pudding. Here's a tray of our chocolate wafer cookies that we just made. And I'm just gonna use these in a Ziploc bag. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break them up with a rolling pin to make our dirt. So we wanna get a whole bunch of these in the Ziploc bag and then break them up so they look like dirt. So I got 5 in there, and then just break them up with the rolling pin. If you want, you could even just press it with your own hand, but you don't wanna crumble it too much. We want it to look crunchy and crumbly, not super fine like powder. So have fun banging this out, get out your aggressions. You can have the kids do it. Just be careful they don't go crazy and bang it so hard you break the Ziploc bag, because then you got the crumbs everywhere, and that's the type of thing my son loves to do. So I know very well how that happens. There we go, let's see how they look. Great. Now we've got our dirt crumbs to put on top of the pudding. And now sprinkle on your dirt crumbs on the top, completely covering up that pudding. Make it look like a big blob of dirt. Lastly, top it off with your gummy worm. Make sure you stick it down so it looks like coming up out of the dirt. And a plastic spoon, and voila, here is our dirt pudding. Here are our finished dirt puddings ready for a party. And you can vary it. You could have it chocolate vanilla chocolate, or vanilla chocolate vanilla, or even all vanilla for that kid who doesn't want chocolate pudding. Make sure you've got a whole variety of things, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make it at your next birthday party for kids and enjoy. Let's take a taste actually before you go. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Ooh, look at all those cookie crumbs on top. Wow. Is that good? Oh my goodness. I better hand these out to my students before I eat the whole thing. It's so fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all the videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye.
For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.